Built in 1937, been sitting in the shed for a long time. Been waiting for someone to get it running again. It's just an old tractor, that's what they say to me. But they don't know how good it feels to ride that old tractor now that it's running again. Takes me back to a younger time, working on getting it running right, working on getting it going again. On the move, that tractor's kicking up dirt out in the field. It's running well. They don't make 'em like they used to make them at all. It's one of a kind. Been through the years, still looks pretty good. Got a little bit age to it now. It was built in 1937. And man, it's good as new now. It can still pull some good weight. It can still get out there when it needs to. It's still a good old tractor. It's fun driving it. It's one of a kind now. They don't make 'em like they used to. It's so one of a kind. They don't make 'em that way anymore. It feels good starting it up, letting it run wide open, moving, pulling, going cross country on that old tractor. Takes you back in time to when it was new, rolling off the assembly line. It's brand new, we built at last, it's the way it always was to be. It's running like never before, brand new, it's one of a kind. They sure don't make 'em that way anymore. It's just an old tractor, but it's got a special place in my heart. It's a old tractor, it's running good today. Still can pull a lot, like it did when it was brand new. Just an old tractor, sitting in a shed. But that tractor, it's good to see it run again at last.